What's going on YouTube? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to literally copy and paste an ad and make anywhere between $100 and $500 a day. You guys are going to love this method. You can literally start this method today. I'm going to make it super easy. I'm going to walk you through step by step. Before we get into the video, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I teach you how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of strategies on how to make money online, guys. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first website, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 websites, okay? The first website is called Free Ad Forum, okay? So it's thefreeadforum.com. So when you go to this website, it's going to kind of show like this. Now, they have a new version of this website. So I've kind of talked about this website before, but they have a new version. So I mean, they kind of still have the old version, which looks like this, but the new version is going to kind of redirect you into this one here, okay? So just letting you know, if it does look different, it's going to look like this, okay? So first things first, obviously you have to register for an account. I'm not going to show you how to do that, just name and email, password, all that good stuff. So once you do that, we're going to publish an ad, and it's absolutely free to publish an ad on this website. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to do that from beginning to end, okay? But we also need a product to do that. Now, this website allows you to put like business opportunity type links, or how to make money online. So that's the type of thing we're going to be putting on this website. So what we're going to do is we're going to publish your ad for free. All right, so right here we're going to be adding our copy and paste ad. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. I have a document set up for you guys can literally copy and paste, okay? And I'm going to show you where that is. But first, we need an offer. We need something that we can start making money with. So first of all, there's a website called cbengine.com, and it looks for the best opportunities out there, the ones that are actually selling. So we want something that is going to already, it's proven to sell, okay? So we want something that is proven to sell, something that is maybe make money online, because that is what this website is good for, business opportunities type offers. So in here, we're going to look for something that has been selling really good, okay? So kind of just looking through here, there's something called Overnight Millionaire. It's only $27, or that's how much you'll make is $27. It's got a gravity score of 161, meaning 161 people have actually sold this item in a certain amount of time. I forget if it's 7 days, 14 days, but that means this product is selling. So we're going to actually go in here and we're going to sell this product. So all these products in here are from ClickBank. I'm going to choose ClickBank because it's the easiest one. You can literally start today. You can sign up and start promoting. So if you go to clickbank.com, it's going to show up to here. Okay, so obviously you want to create an account in here. This is how you get paid. So basically it's an affiliate network. All it means is they have a bunch of products that you can promote in there, and if you can pick products to promote, and then if you get a sale in that with that product, you get paid, and they can pay directly with check straight to your bank account. Makes it super easy. But we're going to go to affiliate marketplace here, okay? Obviously you want to create an account. That's super easy. It takes like 2 minutes. And there's a bunch of products in here, but I use this website it kind of gives you more data. So I'm going to use this Overnight Millionaire because it looks like a really good product. You're going to make $27 per sale. So we only need about 4 sales to make $100 a day, okay? And then you can do 20 sales to make $500 a day. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to get a sale, okay? So if we go to ClickBank again, we're just going to type in overnight. Let's see here, overnight. Let's see if I spelt that right. Okay, there it is, Overnight Millionaire. So you're gonna make $27 per sale. Now let me show you how to actually promote this item. So you're gonna hit promote here, okay? So you're just gonna hit promote, and then it's gonna give you a link. Now it's gonna give you a special tracking link for your specific account, okay? So right here, it's important you have to put your account nickname, that way they know who they're tracking. So this is just the name, your username when you sign up, okay? So you just enter that. If you're signed in, it'll automatically generate that, okay? So you're gonna generate hop link. All that means is it's a tracking link tracked to you specifically, okay? So there's your track link. So if someone clicks on that link and they buy, you get paid. That's all it is, okay? So I'm gonna come back to this. Let's go back to the ad, okay? Now we need to put a title and description. Now I got you guys covered. This is going to be a totally copy and paste method. It's absolutely free to post in here, okay? And this website gets a ton of traffic, guys. People are looking to this website to look for jobs, how to make money online. So this is a perfect website to do this. Now, category, we're going to go under business opportunity, okay? Title and description. So I got you covered. So in the description in this video, I actually put the link to this this document that I made for you guys, okay? There's a ton of copy and paste things you can make in here. So here's your titles. So I have a ton of titles you guys can use, and then I have the description as well, okay? So you can kind of test out what works. Let's see here. Here's your solution and the struggle. Let's try that, okay? And like I said, you can try a ton of different ads in there. I put a ton of different headlines and description that are supposed to sell, okay? So here's your solution to end the struggle, and then we're going to add a description, okay? Let's go back here, and then if you go down here, I put a bunch of ad bodies. So this is your description, okay? So you can kind of look, let's see, unemployed, no height, no lies. Are you looking for authentic system gets results? Let's try that, okay? Okay. Are you looking for an authentic system that gets results? Okay. Boom. Okay, so now we're going to add our link, okay? So click here to get more info. I'm just going to add that in there. You don't have to, but I like to add that in there as a call to action. Let's go to... Now, we're going to go back to that link that we generated. Remember, it's kind of an ugly looking link. So what we're going to do is we're going to shorten this link, okay? So if we go here, copy this link, okay? And we're going to go to a website called Bitly. This is just the link shortener. It just makes it pretty. So you're going to go in here, copy that link. And it's the same exact link, but it just looks a little better, okay? So we're going to copy that. Go back in here, and then we're going to copy, we're going to paste it right here. Boom. So we got that in there. We're not going to put anything for price. We're not going to put anything for picture. Okay, for country, let's just do United States. You can test out different regions if you'd like, but we're going to put United States. All right, so keywords, guys, this is important. So I actually put that in there as well. So if you go down here, let's see. So there's a bunch of keywords that you can use. So you can just use these guys. Let's see here. So these are important because people will be searching certain terms, so it'll help, when people find your ad, okay? So make money online. And just go in here and make money online jobs. All right, let's see. Online jobs, work from home. All right. Perfect, okay. So now we got all the tags in there. So here's the thing, okay? So now we want to put a YouTube video, okay? So this is important because it helps them, see if this is real. If they can see a sales video if they want more information. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a video straight from the sales page, guys. So if we go here, and if we go to the actual link, so I'm just going to click the link that I used. Let me see here. I think it was the Bitly link. Okay, so if we go to this link, it's going to go to the sales page, okay? So why not use the sales page since it's already working, it's already converting, people are buying from it. As you can see, it goes to this is the sales page. You can see my hop link, which is my username. Remember, we entered that when we generated the link. Now I'm going to use this video because this video is already working. It's a YouTube video, so I'm just going to right click here, copy video URL. And I'm going to use that in here, okay? So if you're going to go in here and we're going to click the YouTube video. So now it gives you more authority and people are more likely to buy, okay? So last thing here is we need to add the link, okay? So please visit our website. This is your link here. So we're going to go back to Bitly. We're going to copy that. I'm going to add the link, okay? So now people can click on that link. And remember, if people click on that link, you get paid. Every person that clicks, you get paid $27. Or, I'm sorry, every person that clicks and buys, you get $27, okay? So this website, remember, it gets a ton of traffic, okay? So you're going to get a ton of traffic with this, and then if you post a ton of ads, guys, I promise you're going to make a ton of money with this. So this is all depending on how much you put in work, okay? And I made it super easy for you guys to follow. And remember, this copy and paste document is going to be in the description below, okay? So no worries. All right, guys, so that is all done. The price is fine, put 0. You can test images if you like. Sometimes I'll put images with money. Sometimes I just don't do images. So that's something you can test. Now, you can go ahead and skip all this. This is just add-ons. This is a totally free method, so I'm not going to show you any of this stuff. But yeah, you just hit no thanks, I don't want extra stuff, and then publish. Oh, okay, so it's going to ask for a region. Let's just go ahead and let's just pick Arizona. Let's see if it lets us do that. Okay, so it does want a city. Okay, so let's click, let's go with the biggest city. Let's go with Phoenix. All right. Perfect. So I like to target bigger areas, bigger cities, and that's it, guys. You got your ad posted. So if you go to your account, you can see that your ad is posted. There it is. And then you should be able to see like how much people are looking at it, if it's doing well. And guys, you just want to keep doing this. I have a ton of website. I'm sorry, a ton of copy and paste ads in here. Okay. Now that's the first website. The second website is called. It's going to be something similar. It's going to be called Global Free Classified Ads or Ads. This website is going to be extremely similar. You're going to do the exact same thing. It just gives you more exposure. I'm not going to show you how to use this because it's the exact same thing as the other website. So that's the second website. Now the last method, guys, this is a cool method that you can do. If you go to Craigslist.com, you can actually find people that are looking for work. And these people are actually looking for jobs. They have posted in it. They're interested in looking for extra work. Now, you don't want to post in here as a job, okay? Because Craigslist does not like that. So what you do is you're going to go to Craigslist. You could pick a city and an area. You're going to go all the way to the bottom. You're going to click resumes, okay? So you're going to click right here in resumes, bottom right. And you can see a ton of people are looking for work ASAP, hard worker, seeking any side gigs, you know, all kinds of stuff, quick cash needed. So for example, let me show you. I'm just going to do one for you. If you click this guy here. All right, let's see here. So we're gonna go ahead and reply to this. A hard worker, you know, looking for job. Okay, so we're gonna hit reply. Okay, and then this is a little different from the first two methods, but basically we're gonna send them an email. Now, so yeah, you're gonna reply, and then I have a copy and paste for this as well. So if we go back to the bottom here, so it says Craigslist script. So we're gonna copy this first one, okay, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Once this loads, okay. Hi, I saw your inquiry on Craigslist about you looking for work. We are open to speaking with you about our open opportunities. Please feel free to contact me here and we will send you some information to review about our company and opportunity. Okay, just like that. We don't want to send them any offer yet. We're going to send that to as many people as we can. We're going to go through this list and we're going to literally send this email to all these people that are looking for work. Okay, now we want them to reply back because we don't want to just seem like we're spammy. We want to actually have them reply back to us, okay? And you're going to get a ton of people that do reply back because they are looking for work. So when they do reply back, we have this message here. So once they reply back, then you go ahead and send them this message basically saying, here's the opportunity. I would love to work with you. And then all you do is put your link here, okay? It's the same bit.ly link that we use. And guys, you're going to get a ton of people that sign up. You're going to get a ton of people, you know, signing up for your offer, and you're going to make a ton of money, guys. This method does take work. Obviously, you can do it yourself. You can hire, you know, your little brother, you know, people. You can hire people to do it for you, but you know, you can do it yourself. But it does take work. And you will make sales. I promise you're going to make sales because I used to use these type of methods, you know, back when I first started. But if you're looking for, you know, completely passive income and not having to worry about, you know, copy and pasting ads, and you have a little bit of money to invest, guys, there's a link in the description below for the #1 way I make money, which is with passive income. Okay, this is not really passive income. You're actually trading time for money, which is fine in the beginning. If you don't have money to start, you know, this is a way to hustle. And when I first started, I would hustle, guys. I would literally copy and paste ads. I would, you know, hit up every single person I knew. I would use methods like this to really get sales and start making money in the beginning. And then once I started making money, you know, I started, you know, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. I use that money to put it into a business. And now I have a system that pays me passively, okay? So if you're interested in how I did that, like I said, the link in the description is below, and it's my #1 way on how I make passive income, okay? And I'm going to walk you through how I do it in that link below, okay? But for now, if you don't have any money to get started, guys, this is a perfect way. This is an absolutely free method, and I promise you guys will get sales. Now, I'm going to put this whole document in the description below. It'll be, you'll find it in the description below. But guys, I hope you found a ton of value from this video. I hope you guys make a ton of money. Let me know if you get that first sale, you know, within the first day, because you can make the sale. You can make $100 the first day, and I promise you, if you put in the work, you're going to make money. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. Reach out to me personally on my Facebook group. Guys, I make it really easy to reach out to me. Just look in the links in below and you'll find me. But you guys have a great day. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment. You guys have a great day, and God bless.